BleemSync has now had an update. We are now on version 1.0.1 and we have a stack ton of updates to bring you. But the most important part is, how do you update to this latest version? Well, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to do that and briefly going over all the really interesting updates that the BleemSync team have brought to us. So this process is really easy for you guys updating from 0.4 or 1.0. Both versions updating is absolutely no problems at all. For you guys updating from 1.0, all you got to do is transfer the zip file onto your SD card and then just unzip it. If the system asks you to overwrite anything, just click yes and confirm it. For you guys updating from 0.4, you do need to remember you do need to delete a couple of different files from your SD card, as I'm going to show you just in a second. Now, there's a few different things you can actually add to your system now if you want to. I'm going to show you exactly what you should expect from them, but basically you have cheat packs which cover your PlayStation games and lots of different systems. As well as that, we've got a new overlay, and if you want a new overlay for RetroArch, it might just give you a better opportunity to use the system, because I know some of the menus on RetroArch can be a little bit daunting at first, so maybe this overlay will maybe help you a little bit. But I'm going to show you that just in a second. But basically, all you got to do is you just got to go and drag and drop these zip files into your SD card and unzip them. You do have to delete a RetroArch configuration file, but I'll show you that just in a second where you can get that. Once you've done that, then you can go and check out what changes it's made, but I'll show you that just in a second. If you choose to use them, that's entirely up to you. It doesn't really affect the system if you choose not to.